In the previous lecture, we had derived uh, um, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. वो आया था C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, where D was the distance between the plates, A was area of each plate. And also we had derived Q is equal to CV. This gives V is equal to Q by C. Now, this is one capacitor, second capacitor, third capacitor. ये और ये पहले कैपेसिटर का दोनों प्लेट, ये और ये सेकंड कैपेसिटर का दोनों प्लेट, ये और ये थर्ड कैपेसिटर का दो प्लेट्स. नहीं, दिस इज ए वायर, कंडक्टिंग वायर. दिस इज ऑल्सो ए कंडक्टिंग वायर. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक इज ऑल्सो अनदर कंडक्टिंग वायर. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक इज अनदर कंडक्टिंग वायर. हियर ए पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज अप्लाइड V, जैसे बैटरी का होता है 1.5 वोल्ट 9 वोल्ट. नहीं, नाउ this positive side of the battery draws electrons from this conductor like this. Since electrons are coming out, this becomes positively charged. Now, since this is positively charged, this has an electric field. This pulls the electrons. This pulls the electrons. So, by pulling the electrons, this becomes negatively charged. This becomes negatively charged with minus Q. Since the minus Q on this plate, so this negative charge must have come from this plate, the first plate of the second capacitor. So the first plate, this plate of the second capacitor becomes plus Q, and the similar process continues. Therefore, this is also plus Q and this is minus Q. This is plus Q and this is also minus Q. Now, now look, this potential difference is distributed across the three capacitors. पोटेंशियल मेजर करने के लिए एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, कहते हैं वोल्टमीटर. वहाँ से दो तार होते हैं, दोनों उनको एक यहाँ लगाओगे एक यहाँ लगाओगे, ऐसे लगाओगे, वो सपोज रीडिंग दे रहा है V1 वोल्ट. यहाँ और यहाँ लगाओगे, वो सपोज दे रहा है रीडिंग V2 वोल्ट. यहाँ और यहाँ लगाओगे, सपोज दे रहा है रीडिंग V3 वोल्ट. सो दिस V gets distributed as V1 across the first capacitor, V2 across the second capacitor, and V3 across the third capacitor. Therefore, this V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, and we know V is equal to Q by C. Therefore, V1 is equal to Q by C1. This is equal to Q by C2. This is equal to Q by C3. Taking Q common, we have 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Now why they are called in series? But thoda reh gaya. Going from this point to this point, you can go only in one path. Therefore, the three capacitors are called in a series. Now, taking Q common, we have left with this. अब ये Q को लेफ्ट में ले आओ, V by Q is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Now, this V by Q is what? That this is the effective reciprocal capacitance of the series. Means ये तीनों को ऐसे ना लगा के, ये तीनों की जगह एक ही कैपेसिटर लगाओगे, उसका कैपेसिटेंस क्या होना ये तीनों के बराबर होगा, वो है इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस. सो V by Q from here, V by Q is equal to 1 by C. V by 1 is equal to Q by C. Therefore, V by Q is equal to 1 by C. Now, which C? The effective capacitance of these three capacitors, C effective is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Instead of three capacitors in series, you can have 4 in series, you can have 5 in series, you can have 2 also in series. If there are 2, then it will be 1 by C1 is 1 by C effective is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. By taking this implies C effective is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, and this is less than C1 and this is also less than C2. Then you might ask how it is less than C1 and less than C2. Let C1 is equal to 2, C2 is equal to 3. Therefore, C1, C2 by C1 plus C2 is equal to 6 by 5. And 6 by 5, 6 by 5 is less than 2. Also 6 by 5 is less than 3. So, when capacitors are connected in series, the effective capacitance decreases.